This is my little
Illuminati.
This is
A troll.
and this is
A retard.
Peppa Pig. Peppa's
Air horn.
Peppa and George are going to post their letters to Father Christmas.
Yeehaw!
Here are Peppa's.
Tard.
Race you to the post box.
Yahoo!
The children are all posting letters to Father Christmas.
What have you all asked Father Christmas for? A scooter.
A toy spaceship.
A little guitar. A toy mouse.
A skipping rope.
A trumpet. A bat and ball. George has asked for a toy.
John C.
And I would love a yo-yo.
It is Mr. Zebra, the postman.
My goodness, a lot of posts today.
They're all our letters to Father Christmas. It's very important that Father Christmas gets them.
He lives at the North Pole.
Yes, I can see that. Well, if I'm off to the North Pole today, I can't stand around chattering. Bye.
Bye!
Peppa! George! We're off to get the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
Is every... They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me.
Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, mail, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it quick.
And Daddy Pig puts a star on the very top of the tree.
There.
Ooh! Little star on the Christmas tree goes twinkle, 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 twinkle.
Shut up, Peppa
All the little piggies on Christmas Eve go oink, 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 oink.
Shut it, Peppa.
Wait! There's more!
Ever on the track, how? Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, so finger-licking.
Singing.
Do you know what day tomorrow is?
Christmas Day!
Here's a little snack for Father Christmas.
Daddy, why does Father Christmas come down the chimney? Why doesn't he just use the front door?
Oh, good question, Peppa. If you see him, you should ask.
But Father Christmas won't come unless you're asleep in bed. Up you go.
I hope Mr. Zebra gave our letters to Father Christmas.
I'm sure he did.
Danny wanted a spaceship, Susie a scooter, Pedro a guitar.
Can you remember everything your friends asked for?
Of course I can, Daddy. It's very important.
Good night, my little piggies. Sleep well.